Sleep in for once. Find Rose on a dating app and swipe right.
That sounds healthy.
Hey, yo, Orlando, stop. What? What the hell?
Everything okay with cops?
I thought I heard something.
Like what?
I don't know, but I heard something.
Yeah? Orlando, stop the compactor.
Okay.
Open up the back.
She's alive! Oh, great. Looks like an OD.
The hell is that?
Some kind of dart.
Send me a bus. Corner of Bryant and Hunts Point.
Hey! Hey! Can you tell me what happened?